Are you a creator looking for the best DDR5 RAM to boost your work performance? Welcome to a world where high-performance DDR5 RAM is the unsung hero of creativity. It's the silent partner to your music production, the unseen ally in your video editing, the unspoken collaborator in your graphic design, and the secret weapon in your gaming arsenal. RAM is not just about speed, but also about power, efficiency, and reliability. So let's journey together into the heart of DDR5 RAM. We'll explore offerings from leading brands like G.Skill, Corsair, Kingston, and TeamGroup. Stay tuned to discover which DDR5 RAM from our top picks is going to be your choice, and which RAM delivers the best performance for your creative needs. First up, we have G.Skill, a brand known for its high-performance RAM. G.Skill has carved a name for itself in the world of high-performance memory modules, and their DDR5 RAM is no exception. The company's DDR5 RAM provides a significant performance boost over its predecessor DDR4, thanks to increased data rates and improved energy efficiency. The star of G.Skill's DDR5 lineup is the Trident Z5 RGB. This RAM kit is a top pick among creators for its balance of performance, aesthetics, and affordability. The Trident Z5 RGB is not just about good looks, it's also about delivering high-performance computing. Whether you're a music producer, video editor, graphic designer, or a gamer, this RAM kit is designed to handle demanding applications and intensive multitasking with ease. One of the standout features of the Trident Z5 RGB is its customizable RGB lighting. It adds a touch of flair to any build, but it's not just for show. The RGB lighting can also provide visual feedback on your system's performance, adding a functional aspect to its eye-catching design. Now let's talk about performance. The Trident Z5 RGB offers impressive speed variations, making it a versatile choice for different workloads. Whether you're working with graphics-heavy applications, complex video editing software, or the latest 8AA games, this RAM kit can deliver the performance you need. What about compatibility, you ask? G.Skill has that covered too. The Trident Z5 RGB is compatible with a wide range of motherboards, ensuring that you can take advantage of its benefits regardless of your system setup. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: pricing. High-performance RAM doesn't come cheap, but G.Skill manages to offer the Trident Z5 RGB at a competitive price point. While it's not the cheapest DDR5 RAM on the market, the Trident Z5 RGB Series 32GB DDR5 kit, for instance, is priced at $119. G.Skill offers a balance of performance and aesthetics, making it a great choice for many creators. Next, we dive into the offerings from Corsair, a brand that combines aesthetics with performance. Corsair, a leading name in the memory module industry, offers a range of DDR5 RAM that is not only powerful, but also visually appealing. Let's explore what makes Corsair's DDR5 RAM stand out. First up is the Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB. This RAM is the perfect blend of performance and beauty. It's not just about the looks though. The Dominator Platinum RGB is designed for optimal performance. It's the top pick for many due to its high-speed capabilities, making it ideal for intensive tasks such as video editing and gaming. The RGB lighting adds a touch of personalization, allowing you to match your RAM to your rig's color scheme. Next on the list is the Corsair Vengeance DDR5. This RAM is praised for its budget-friendly price without compromising on performance. This makes it a great choice for those who need reliable memory without breaking the bank. The Vengeance DDR5 is an excellent all-rounder, offering respectable performance for a broad range of tasks. When it comes to performance, both the Dominator Platinum RGB and the Vengeance DDR5 deliver impressive results. Whether you're a music producer requiring fast processing speeds, a graphic designer working on complex projects, or a gamer needing smooth gameplay, Corsair's DDR5 RAM has you covered. Let's talk about pricing. While DDR5 RAM is more expensive than its predecessor, the Dominator Platinum RGB 32GB kit comes with a premium price of $154 due to its high performance capabilities and aesthetic appeal. On the other hand, the Vengeance 32GB kit offers a more budget-friendly option of $129. In conclusion, Corsair's DDR5 RAM offerings are a testament to the brand's commitment to delivering high-quality, high-performance memory modules. The Dominator Platinum RGB and the Vengeance DDR5 exemplify this commitment, catering to a range of needs and budgets. With budget-friendly options and high-performance kits, Corsair caters to a wide range of creators' needs. Moving on, let's explore what Kingston brings to the table with their Fury Beast RGB kit. As a renowned player in the world of memory solutions, Kingston has a reputation for delivering reliable and high-performing products. Their DDR5 RAM is no exception, offering an optimal blend of performance and value. The Fury Beast RGB kit embodies Kingston's commitment to quality. This DDR5 RAM kit is designed for creators who need a powerful memory solution without breaking the bank. It's perfect for those heavy-duty tasks like video editing, graphic designing, music production, and yes, even gaming. One of the standout features of Kingston's DDR5 RAM is its compatibility. Whether you're running an Intel or AMD setup, the Fury Beast RGB kit is designed to seamlessly integrate with your system, ensuring you get the most out of your hardware. Performance-wise, Kingston's DDR5 RAM doesn't shy away from the competition. With impressive speeds, it can handle the most demanding applications and games with ease. So whether you're rendering a complex 3D model or running a resource-intensive game, you can trust Kingston's DDR5 RAM to deliver smooth performance. But what about the price? Kingston understands that value for money is crucial for creators. That's why the Fury Beast RGB kit is competitively priced, giving you a top-tier memory solution without the top-tier price tag. So Kingston Fury Beast RGB 32GB kit is priced at $145. In the world of DDR5 RAM, Kingston's Fury Beast RGB kit stands out as a value-for-money option. It combines quality, performance, and affordability, making it a strong choice for creators looking for a robust memory solution. Kingston offers competitive pricing without compromising performance, making it a strong contender. Finally, we have TeamGroup, a brand that's been making waves in the RAM market. This rising star in the world of memory manufacturing isn't just catching up with the big names, it's carving out a niche of its own with its high-quality DDR5 RAM. Let's dive into the standout features. TeamGroup's Delta Force RAM boasts impressive speeds that are essential for optimal computing performance. This speed boost is particularly beneficial for creators, whether you're a music producer, a video editor, or a graphic designer. It ensures that your applications run smoothly, and your projects come together seamlessly. Performance-wise, TeamGroup's DDR5 RAM stands tall. It's been praised for its reliability, making it a trustworthy choice for creators who can't afford any system hiccups. The RAM's performance is stable even under heavy loads, which is a testament to the quality of TeamGroup's products. TeamGroup also offers a range of products to suit different needs. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a high-capacity RAM kit, TeamGroup has you covered. Their DDR5 RAM kits are versatile, catering to a variety of users and workloads. Now, let's talk about pricing. TeamGroup's Delta Force DDR5 RAM comes at competitive prices without compromising on performance. It priced at $96 for the 32GB DDR5 kit. It's a smart investment for creators looking to upgrade their system without breaking the bank. But what really sets TeamGroup apart is their focus on innovation. They're continually pushing the boundaries, offering advanced features that cater to the needs of creators. You can expect to see more exciting products from this brand in the future. TeamGroup may be a newer player, but it's rapidly establishing itself as a reliable choice for creators. With its impressive features, reliable performance, and competitive pricing, TeamGroup's DDR5 RAM is definitely worth considering for your next upgrade. Now that we have discussed the top DDR5 RAM options from G.Skill, Corsair, Kingston, and TeamGroup, it's time to make your choice. Let's do a quick recap. G.Skill's Trident Z5 RGB stands out for its performance and affordability, making it a stellar choice for those who want a balance of cost and quality. Corsair offers two noteworthy options: the DDR5 4800 kit for those on a budget, and the Dominator kit for those who appreciate aesthetics as much as performance. Kingston's Fury Beast kit is a great value for money, offering competitive pricing without compromising on performance. And lastly, TeamGroup Delta Force, while not explicitly mentioned in our sources, is a well-regarded player in the market known for its reliable and high-performing products. Whether you're a music producer, video editor, graphic designer, or gamer, remember that the right RAM is crucial. It not only enhances your system's performance, but also ensures smoother and quicker execution of tasks. A DDR5 RAM from any of these top brands will provide you with the speed and reliability you need to bring your creative vision to life. Choosing the right RAM is an investment in your creativity. It's about equipping yourself with the right tools to execute your vision, to transform your ideas into reality, and to create without boundaries. Remember, the right DDR5 RAM can significantly boost your work performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Creators PC Universe channel for more insights into enhancing your creative setup.